Hi, Hot Tub Todd here for SunsetSpas. In this first of 3 videos, I'm going to be talking about 110 volt plug-and-play hot tubs. Now there is a lot of misinformation out there about what 110 volt tubs can and can't do. People say they don't get hot, they don't have enough power. Well, that's usually from salespeople that have never owned one or don't have anything good to sell. Now, we engineered these Sunset exclusive 110 volt tubs to work like nothing else. First of all, everything we sell is built the same. There's no good, better, best. They're all the same, whether it's a $25,000 hot tub or a $9,000 hot tub, they're built exactly the same. They all have 303 welded stainless steel frames. They have an ABS pan bottom that is thick and sealed up so nothing's going to get in there. You're not going to get pack rats or bugs or anything inside there that's going to climb in and live in your full foam insulation. Because we don't have full foam insulation either. We have insulation on the walls, on the shell, on the floor. It's like a thermos bottle. It works great, stays hot. Once it gets hot, it's always hot. Our wall panels are a really, really heavy composite that is not screwed to the frame. It's held in place with brackets. So in the desert, when it gets 110, 115 or more, and then it cools off, those cheap plastic panels that are just screwed to the frame, they warp, they bend, they twist. These do not. We have great equipment, the best North American made equipment that's on the market by Balboa. All of our equipment is elevated. Our pumps are on motor mounts so they don't jiggle and vibrate. We use circulation pumps and state-of-the-art ozone system and great filtration to keep these things really clean in combination with our proprietary Crystal Clean 123 chemical system that'll get you pretty close to chemical free. So these tubs are great, and I'll tell you in the next video what I'm going to be talking about is the features, showing you the operation, and in the third and final video I'm going to show you our models and what you can actually choose from in a Sunset exclusive hot tub. Thank you.